Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Badshahi Bhetki, which is a delicious Bhetki fish masala curry and can be enjoyed with hot steamed rice. So friends, let's get started with this delicious fish curry recipe. And here I have taken 5 pieces of Bhetki fish, and now we need to season them with some salt and some turmeric or haldi powder. Now rub the salt and turmeric powder well over the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for about 10 minutes. Next, here I have taken one large onion which has been thinly sliced and then fried deep golden brown, as well as 6 fried cashews and almonds. And now we need to transfer the fried onions as well as the fried cashews and almonds into a mixing jar along with 2 tablespoons of curd or dahi, and we will grind this into a very smooth paste. Let's check this once, and our paste to make Badshahi Bhetki is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a karhai and into it goes some mustard oil to fry the fish pieces. And when the oil is hot, we will add the Bhetki fish pieces seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 minute, we will flip the fish pieces and fry the other side till they are golden brown. And by now the fish pieces are fried golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Next in the karhai goes 1 bay leaf or tej patta, 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini, 2 cardamom or elaichi, 2 cloves or long, and few cumin seeds or sabut zeera. Let them crackle for a while. And now into this goes 1 medium onion sliced, and we'll fry the onions till they turn golden brown in color. By now the onions are well fried. Next goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and on medium flame we will fry them well until the raw taste of ginger garlic goes away. And now we will quickly season this with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now saute all the spices well for a few seconds on low to medium flame. I'll add now some water so that the spices doesn't get burned, and on low to medium flame we will stir this for 1 to 2 minutes until oil starts to separate. And at this stage we will add the creamy paste which we had prepared earlier. And on medium flame we will saute this well until they are well combined with the spice mix and oil starts to separate. So as you can see, this has been well sauteed by now. Next goes 2 green chillies. And now we'll add some water to form a gravy-like consistency. Mix this well. And as the gravy starts to boil, we'll add the fried Bhetki fish pieces into it. And we'll coat the fish pieces with the gravy. And now we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste, 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, and some fried cashews and raisins. Give this a mix. And now we will cover and let the fish simmer in the gravy for 2 to 3 minutes. It's almost 3 minutes. Let's check our fish gravy. And our gravy looks rich and creamy, so I'm going to serve this right away. And here goes our delicious Badshahi Bhetki. Enjoy this with hot steamed rice. So friends, I hope you will try this rich and delicious Bhetki fish recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.